Some of the families that stayed right here at Vilano Beach during Hurricane Nicole, they're still stuck and stranded at home. That's because the powerful storm surge from the hurricane ripped apart several spots right along A1A. Whoa! Brianna Ricks is sharing this video with AccuWeather, showing us the power of the waves and storm surge that topped the asphalt and later ripped apart several spots along A1A. Kelly James is a nurse and was working in a local hospital when Nicole made landfall. After an exhausting day, she had no way to get home.
High tide really wreaked havoc on everything here. Most of the dunes seem to be gone. Part of the road behind us is gone. We can't get to our house. This is definitely the worst I've seen, definitely. And my family members agree this is definitely the worst that we've seen here.
This is the second time in the span of 6 weeks that families in this region have been dealing with coastal erosion, storm surge, and flooding issues. First from Hurricane Ian, and now from Hurricane Nicole. At Vilano Beach in Florida, for AccuWeather, I'm Bill Waddell.
Hey AccuWeather fans, if you want to see more videos like this, check out some of our other ones right here. And if you like what you see, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more from AccuWeather.